Now it's time to start editing the document itself. So I'm going to show you some formatting options that you have. Wherever you click in the template, you can start to make changes to that. You can type right over it. Here is a new paragraph. And then with anything selected, you can then go to your format paintbrush, and that's where you can change things such as your font and all kinds of font formatting here, the size, the text color, the orientation, all of that fun stuff. You can add bullets and lists. You can change your line spacing, and you can do all that fun stuff to it as well. And a lot of the menu options, as long as you have some text formatted, a lot of the options show up down here for some basic functions as well too, like indenting or just changing the font formatting. So a lot of that is there too. Another thing worth showing while we're down there, let me just get my cursor here at the end of what I've written. And if I click on this very last one, it actually brings up quite a lot if I hit that plus sign. There's some things here definitely worth looking at. Like if you wanted to add a comment, if you're corresponding back and forth with a student, you can do that. You could do page breaks and line breaks and all that kind of fun stuff too. But you could also do footnoting here, which is pretty impressive. If I just click footnote, if you see what happened up here, it dropped the first footnote there. And now down here in the footer, I can type a footnote. I can just say resource number 1, or whatever you're going to put there for your resource. So that's kind of a cool feature too. So if I were to put, like if I were to go to end of this paragraph, hold on, and if I wanted to add another footnote to that, I would just go there, footnote, and it does put the 2 and carries on in my footer with additional footnotes at the very end of the entire document. You can also see that here you can manage those footnotes and how you want them to look. And while you're in footnoting, you can also, like when you're while you're editing your footnote, you can come up here and change the formatting of how you want that footnote to look, including fonts and all that fun stuff. And then you can go up here to the Footnotes tab and do a bit more editing of how you want them to appear on your document.